Hey everyone, I'm here with a new video. Today I'm going to make realistic eyeball lollipop. Mixing the same volume of Smooth Cast 300 into a measuring cup. Make sure you mix well. Gently pour a little bit into the mold and do a slushing motion. In that way you can get rid of the air bubbles and make sure you have a smoothing surface. I hold my hand there with a stick for about 5 minutes. It will be ready to be demolded. I'm using an airbrush to apply a white surface on the eyeball so it's easier to paint colors later. I'm using a liner brush to add details on the iris. After applying a black pupil at the center, I'm using a liner brush and rotating the eyeballs to add a radial shape on the eyeball. After you add highlights to the eyeball, you want to tear up a yarn and keep breaking it up until you get a tiny little thread. Mix those threads with resin, apply them evenly on the eyeball. I'm using a needle tool to rearrange the blood vessel on the eyeball to make it more realistic. It took 24 hours for the resin to be fully cured, so during this time I made a couple more eyeballs. I did not record the whole makeup process because a lot of it I photoshopped later. All I did was applying a bunch of toilet paper on my face with Elmer's glue and acrylic paint. I have to admit it's really a painful process to take it off from my face, but I really enjoyed how the photo turned out. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. It will mean the world to me. Thank you for watching. I will be making another video soon. See you later.